1. The spleen, an organ located between the stomach and diaphragm, is very important for the immune system. 2. Android was initially developed by Android Incorporated, a company founded in October 2003 by Andy Rubin, Rich Miner, Nick Sears, and Chris White. Google acquired Android Incorporated in 2005. 3. Right now, China is the country with the most internet users, around 1.1 billion. 4. The 9th largest country in the world is Kazakhstan, and the largest landlocked country in the world. 5. Pietro Ferrero, an Italian confectioner, invented the precursor to Nutella in 1946. Nutella is now produced by Ferrero Spa, an Italian multinational company, and is sold in over 170 countries. 6. AMD was founded in 1969 by Jerry Sanders, along with other co-founders. Initially, the company focused on producing logic chips, but it has evolved and has become one of the world's largest manufacturers of processors and graphics cards. 7. McDonald's is the largest fast food restaurant chain in the world, with over 40,000 locations in over 100 countries. The company serves over 69 million customers daily. 8. HDMI, High-Definition Multimedia Interface, was invented in 2002 by a consortium of several tech companies, such as Hitachi, Panasonic, Philips, Sony, and Toshiba. 9. The Walkman was invented by the Japanese company Sony and was released for the first time in 1979. More exactly, that portable cassette player was created by a team led by Nobutoshi Kihara at the request of Masaru Ibuka, the co-founder of Sony. 10. Windows 1.0, released on November 20, 1985, was the first Microsoft operating system with a graphical interface. It was a layer above MS-DOS because Windows 1.0, unlike MS-DOS, allowed users to interact with the apps and files using windows and icons. 11. The first RAM, random access memory, was invented in 1947 by Freddie Williams and Tom Kilburn, two British engineers who worked at the University of Manchester. That RAM was known under the name Williams-Kilburn tube. 12. Peter Henlein, a German watchmaker from Nuremberg, invented the first portable watch. Henlein created this type of watch around the year 1510. 13. The Roman Emperor Augustus Caesar named the month of August in 8 BC after himself. 14. PS1 was the first video game console of the PlayStation lineup. It was released in 1994 and competed with the Nintendo 64 and Sega Saturn. 15. The mercury thermometer was invented in the Netherlands in 1714 by Daniel Gabriel Fahrenheit, a physicist. 16. Popcorn is one of the oldest snacks consumed by people. The first archaeological evidence of popcorn consumption dates back over 5,000 years in Mexico and Peru. 17. The first BlackBerry phone was released in 1999. That device was called BlackBerry 850 and was developed by the Canadian company RIM, which later changed its name to BlackBerry Limited. 18. The first Huawei phone was the Huawei C300. It was released in 2004 with a monochrome, low-resolution display and modest battery life. It wasn't a smartphone. 19. The first mobile phone with a color display was the Siemens S10, released in 1997. It pioneered mobile phones with color displays, even if its screen was not truly color in the modern sense of the word. 20. There are around 100 billion neurons in the human brain. The brain consumes 20% of the body's energy.